Okay, this is very similar to the last example. The thing I want you to watch out for is the missing terms. So let's write this as a matrix. So 2x plus 0y minus 5z equals negative 15. And 1x minus 2y plus 1z equals 5. And then 1x plus 1y plus 0z equals negative 1. Okay, so I wanted to see a couple things. One is make sure you fill in those zeros. The other is we're going to switch our rows because I can, row 1 has a 2 in the first column and I need a 1. So I can switch it with either one. I think I'm just going to switch it with 2. So switch rows 1 and 2, like a noodle, not a 1. Let's try that again. The easiest way to get a 1 there. 1, negative 2, 1. So again, I'm gonna take row 1. I'm gonna multiply it by a negative 2, so I can get a 0 for row 2. Okay, now I'm going to copy over row 2. Two, 0. Okay, now I'm going to rewrite my matrix. Do the same thing with row 1 and row 3. So row 1, and I'm going to multiply that by a negative 1. And I'm going to combine it with 3. And I get 0, 3, negative 1, negative 6. Let's write that matrix one more time. I think I got room. Okay, so to finish solving, okay, so looking at what I have, I can, this is not pretty, I should, in order to eliminate, and I really am stuck with rows 2 and 3, I need to do a couple of multiplications. So I need to multiply row 2 by, it looks like a negative 3. Oops. 0, negative 12, and 21, and 75. And if I multiply row 3, get some room over here, by a 4, I'm going to get I'm going to cancel out my y's with the negative 12. That's a 4, not a 9. So I get 0, 12, negative 4, negative 24. I'm going to combine that with my first above. And I get 0, 0. 21 minus 12 is 9, and 75 minus 24 is 51. And I have an error. Let me stop the video and figure out where that is. Okay, I found my error. It's a simple, stupid copy error. 0, 12, I don't know why I wrote that negative 4 as negative 12. And 21 minus 4 is 17, which will go into 51 evenly. So I'm going to go, so what I have here is I have the, I can back calculate now. I have 17z equals 51. And that makes z equals 3. Okay. I'm going to skip the work because the next thing I'm going to do is plug into 4y minus 7z equals negative 25. And I'll get y equals negative 1. And lastly, I get x equals 0 when I plug the z and the y in. You can kind of see it if you look at the last row. All right, done for this video.